talk about LLMs, short for large language model. Sounds complicated, but it really isn't. You've probably already used one like ChatGPT, Claude. They're all just different types of LLMs. An LLM is simply the brain behind most AI tools. It's what helps AI understand your question and respond in full sentences. Why are they called large? Because they're trained on massive amounts of data. Think text, books, blogs, websites, social media, code. And they use something called parameters, millions, billions, tiny settings that help the AI figure out patterns between words. We don't need to go into all these details. You don't need to understand the map. You just need to know that the more parameters, the smarter the AI is. What do LLMs actually do? They're called really good at one thing, predicting the next word in a sentence. That's it. Sounds basic, but it allows them to write emails, summarize articles, translate languages, write code, all by stringing together one word at a time really, really well. It's like a supercharged version of the predictive text on your phone. LLMs can't take action on their own. They won't send email, update your CRM, or publish your blog post. They will write it, but they won't press the button. It's like having a smart assistant sitting at your desk. It can write, summarize, brainstorm, even speak 5 languages. But unless you give it the tools, the schedule, the instructions, it just sits there waiting. They don't just act on their own. That's where automation comes in. We build the workflows that connect the assistant, the AI tool, to your business tools. So it doesn't just write the email, it can send it too. You might have seen AI say something totally wrong or just weird. That's called a hallucination. LLMs are great at sounding confident, even when they're guessing. That's why context is everything. If you're building something, for example, for real estate agents or dentists, and you've never worked in that industry, you will need their input to make the AI helpful. Because when something goes wrong or they hallucinate, you wouldn't have a clue because you don't have that expertise. Or at least you really need to always double check that information. That's why I always say it's always easier to start with the industry you already know. Automate your job kind of thing. Automate what you know so that you can be more confident assessing the information that will come out so you can train and fine-tune that automation. So how do we make AI smarter and more useful? We give it the right data. We connect it to the right tools and we craft clear prompts that tell it exactly what to do. That's what this course is all about. So to wrap this up, LLMs are powerful, but only if you use them right. You do not need to understand neural networks or deep learning. You just need to know how to direct your AI assistant to do the work your way for your business.